How to turn off notification on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to turn off your notification Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on a mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see the option for setting. Tap on it. Now scroll down. So you can see the option for preference, security and notification. Tap on notifications. You are looking to turn off the notification, right? Just toggle this option to off. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna turn off the notification on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.